Hey and welcome to the Covert Shirt Store demo video. In this video, you're about to discover how a new point-and-click simple WordPress theme can transform your blogs into your own profitable viral t-shirt empire, eliminating all risk and raking in huge paychecks without you ever having to sign a single t-shirt or spend a single cent on ads. And this new theme also sucks in free traffic from Facebook, OneLow, Pinterest and more on complete autopilot. Thousands of internet marketers just like you are already making big money with t-shirts. But the print-on-demand t-shirt gold rush is just getting started. There's plenty of room to get in. And in fact, this is your chance to own your own gold mine while your competition is thinking around with an overpriced pickaxe. But before we get started, we have to look at the 5 main problems with the Teespring and Facebook model. Now, you may have seen a lot of products being launched over the last year aiming at teaching you how to make money with Teespring t-shirts using Facebook ads. This is the most common model to use in a t-shirt world, but it has some huge problems, and let's take a look at them. First of all, Facebook ads cost money, and because the ads cost money, this constitutes a huge risk because you don't know which t-shirts will sell. So you risk spending a lot of money on Facebook ads without getting any sales in return. And you can do that over and over again before you see any return on any of your campaigns. You also have to design the t-shirts and the ads yourself or pay someone to do it for you. And finally, Teespring campaigns are time limited. And what that means is that you are practically limited to doing Facebook ads because Teespring campaigns can run for a maximum 21 days. So forget about doing SEO and building organic traffic to your Teespring campaigns. So these are the main problems, but the worst problem is that if you're using Facebook ads to promote Teespring t-shirts, you're not building your own assets. You're not building your own email list, you're not building your own blog, your own traffic, you're not building an asset that you can market to over and over again. So you're stuck with paying Facebook money over and over again to promote the same t-shirts, whereas if you were building your list, you could just market to them again and again. So these are the 5 major problems for this model. But of course there is a solution, and this one theme will combat all 5 problems, making t-shirt marketing no cost and 0 risk, yet still wildly profitable. And this is where I'm very proud to introduce our new Covert Shirt Store theme. And with this theme, you can have your very own profit-pulling t-shirt store up and running in just 5 minutes from right now, with all the functionality the big boys have. You can populate your t-shirt store with t-shirts and content without ever having to write a single word yourself. And you can populate it with shirts from Amazon, Teespring and Screen.com, both as an affiliate and by importing your own t-shirts. And it will also become your own personal 24/7 lead machine, spewing out cash like a broken ATM. And that's because it would automatically add leads to your own lists, so you can sell to them over and over again, and this works with any autoresponder, including iContact, MailChimp, GetResponse, and Aweber. And Covert Shirt Store will also start sucking in free traffic from Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and OneLow, building automatic backlinks to your store and automatic traffic, and all of this also on complete autopilot. And finally, Covert Shirt Store is fully monetized, making it super easy for you to profit from your free traffic and sell a lot of t-shirts, both your own and as an affiliate. I know those are some very bold claims. It can be hard to believe you could do all of this with a simple WordPress theme. But the theme is only simple to use. Behind the scenes, it's the most powerful and advanced we have ever built. But action speaks louder than words, so let me take you inside and show you exactly how Covert Shirt Store works and what it can do for you. And here we are on my demo site for the Covert Shirt Store theme. And the first thing you notice on this site is that the theme looks very crisp and professional, and this is exactly how good your stores will look out of the box with this theme without you having to touch anything. Your sites will look like this, and this includes the theme being fully mobile responsive as well. In fact, if I try resizing the screen here, you'll see that it shuffles around, and it is viewable on any device, smartphones, tablets, and so on. And as we increase the size again, you can see it springs back into showing something that looks good on this screen width. So it's fully responsive as well. And it also has infinite scrolling. So as we scroll down here, it will load more shirts and it will keep doing that until there are no more shirts, and we have the back to top button right here. But even though this is how good the theme will look out of the box, you can of course customize it to look exactly how we want it to. And as you see here, we have a theme setup wizard with 10 easy steps you can complete, and you can change anything you want in here, and you can go through this at your own pace, because the theme will remember which step you were on when you leave it, and you'll go back to that step next time you go in here. So you can complete this at your own pace, and it's really easy step by step, and each step has a tutorial video in here. If you play that, you get a video popping up in here exactly where you need it, telling you how to use these settings. So you can customize the theme to look exactly the way you want it to. Now let's go back out here and look at some of the exciting features. First of all, the theme is self-optimizing, and right now I have it set to show the most popular t-shirts first. And what the theme does is it records every single impression a t-shirt gets on the theme and every single clicks it gets, and then by default it will show the ones with the highest click-through rate at the top, and that means your best converters will be at the top, and that will over time maximize your sales and commissions. But you can also have it show the newest t-shirts at the top as well, by going here and changing the setting, and you can do that in the admin area as well. Each t-shirt post here has several links in it. The image is a link, title is a link, and the button here is a link, and you can choose whether you want this to go straight to the page where they buy it or go to the single post in the theme. And if we go to single post in the theme, this is what a single post looks like, and as you can see here, we have plenty of text here. It's very search engine friendly because it's on WordPress. People can tweet, share, and so on, and get you some social media action going here. We also have widgets. There's inbuilt a related shirts one here, which is based on tags and categories. So when people are viewing a t-shirt, it will show other t-shirts that are related to it, maximizing the amount of sales you will make. And we have inbuilt widgets in the theme for your sidebars, the most popular t-shirt, the newest t-shirts, and the related t-shirts. And of course, you can use the sidebars to put any widget on, just like any other WordPress blog. We also have integrated Facebook comments. As you can see here, I posted a comment here saying, "Hey Cindy, I found a perfect t-shirt for you." And if I go to Facebook, you'll see that this is what the post looks like. I commented on the blog using the integrated Facebook comments, and they put this on Facebook. Cindy is tagged here, perfect shirt for you. Cindy saw this and she commented on her, but most importantly here on Facebook, I have a link back to my site running on Facebook here. Now Cindy commented here, and what happens there is comments on Facebook then also get posted on your site, so you have full Facebook integration here, and this will really increase your social interaction, but also get you a lot more traffic. And you may have seen that when I try to leave the site here, we get some pop-ups going. You have a setting in the theme to have these pop-ups come when people load a page or when they try to leave a page, or not at all. What these do is they ask them to follow you on social media, this one on Facebook, and so you can build a following that you can market to over and over again. If I close this one and refresh the page, we'll get a different one, and this one is the email one. You can see that will build your email list of customers, and you can change the text here to anything you want and use any autoresponder you will have. So the text, the theme will also generate leads for you, both on Facebook, Pinterest, followers, email, and so on, and you can market to all these people over and over again. And the theme will rotate these lightbox ads as per your settings, and you can choose how often people should see them and turn them off completely should you want to. Now, if we go back here to the main page, you see I've added some t-shirts here, and adding t-shirts to your theme is really, really easy. I'm going to go in here and show you exactly how to do that. And first we're going to add some Amazon shirts here. And this is one of the really cool features in the theme, that you can use Amazon to add t-shirts as an affiliate. So you can use the Covert Shirt Store theme even if you don't have any t-shirts you designed yourself. And that way you can get started in the t-shirt market, see what sells, make some money before you commit to creating your own t-shirts. And I'm going to do some funny math shirts because that fits what I have going on the site. And I can search in any category. Well, most of the t-shirts will be in this one, but there are also t-shirts in other categories. But I'm fine with this. So you just press search, and it's now searching for funny math t-shirts on Amazon, and you pick a couple you like. For example, I like that one, so let's just post that one, and you then choose which category to put it in. For this one, in my math category, you can put it in multiple categories as well if you want to. Then you can select if you want them to go into draft or go live immediately, and I want it to go live immediately. So if I go here, and we are on the newest t-shirts, if I refresh the page, you'll see now posted a new t-shirt, price tag, and we can go look at the post for it as well. And this link here will be my Amazon affiliate link, and when people buy this t-shirt, I will earn a commission, and that way I can fill my site with Amazon t-shirts, earn a commission every time something is sold, and I can get a really good picture of what kind of t-shirts sell. For example, if I sell a lot of this one, it's a pretty good bet for me to go make my own version of this and put it on Teespring or on Screen.com. Now, of course, you can import your own t-shirts from Screen.com as well. You can search Screen product search and use affiliate links and sell shirts on Screen as an affiliate, but you can also import from specific Screen stores or from your own Screen store, which I'm going to do now. So we'll have a look at our Screen store, and it's just searching and finding all the t-shirts in there, and here just select which one I want to import. And finally we have Teespring as well, or importing Teespring t-shirts is as easy as putting in your Teespring campaign URLs, as many as you like here, press a button and it will import all of them. Now, this is not only limited to Teespring, Screen, and Amazon. You can post t-shirts from any sites on the internet by doing a manual post. And if you go in here, I just want to show you some clever stuff in here, because all you have to be able to do is put in your affiliate link here, or the link to where you're selling, if it's your own t-shirt, the price and the currency, and you're good to go. Set the t-shirt image as featured image, and the rest is just like doing a normal WordPress post. But what I wanted to show you here is for Teespring, you can set an expires date here. And what that means is that if this was a Teespring site and I set this to expire in, say, 21 days, on day 21, the theme would automatically remove this t-shirt, put it back to draft, and then I can go in and reactivate this t-shirt if I reactivate my Teespring campaign at a later date. So super easy to add t-shirts from the free networks automatically, but you can manually post from any t-shirt network, both as an affiliate and as an owner of the t-shirts. So that's a quick overview of just how powerful this theme is, and I just want to show you again. You see it rotates between the different sources, and this one was follow on Pinterest. And just to recap how this theme combats those 5 major problems we talked about in the Teespring and Facebook model. First of all, with the self-optimizing feature, it will tell you which of your t-shirts are the most popular, getting the most clicks. So it will quickly tell you which t-shirts you should create, what is worth running ads for, and what you should make more of and post more of. Because this on WordPress is very SEO friendly, you can get free organic search engine traffic. There's a lot of social sharing integrated in the theme. People can follow you, they can subscribe to your newsletter, they can share your posting and comment via Facebook, and you will get a lot of free traffic that way. So you don't have to rely on buying expensive Facebook ads. You can post shirts as an affiliate, as we just did with Facebook, and so you don't have to create your own t-shirts to get started. You can get started as an affiliate, or you can just keep going as an affiliate and never have to create your own t-shirts and still make a lot of money in this very lucrative t-shirt market. And it's also evergreen, because you can put up these stores, the Screen.com t-shirts and the Amazon t-shirts are there forever basically. The Teespring t-shirts are time limited, but it doesn't matter because you can set the expiry and they will be taken off when they expire, and you can reactivate them when needed. And finally, this builds your own asset, not just the WordPress blog you're building, but as you see, it builds your list, it builds your Pinterest following, it builds your Facebook following or whatever, and these are all people you can market to over and over again. So you're building your own business, your own assets. And it is my strong opinion that everyone involved with the t-shirt, niche t-shirt marketing needs this theme. Whether you're new or just thinking about getting started, or whether you're a seasoned marketer selling a lot of t-shirts on Teespring, you could sell even more by also setting up Covert Shirt Store sites and adding your t-shirts to this theme. So I hope you enjoyed having a look at this, and I invite you to read more about it, and I hope to see you on the inside. So let's take a final look at the Covert Shirt Store theme features. It will make your blog look and work just like the million-dollar e-commerce sites out there. You can run a fully functional t-shirt store with your visitors generating traffic and sales for you with the social sharing and Facebook comment integration. It will generate leads for you and automatically add them to your autoresponder, and it will get you followers on Facebook, Pinterest, and more. You can populate your site with quality content and t-shirt in minutes without writing a single word and without creating any shirts yourself. It is the world's first intelligent, self-optimizing t-shirt store theme, automatically maximizing your profits and commissions. And it sucks in free traffic and sales from Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, OneNote, and more on autopilot. It's fully monetized with widget-ready sidebars. It will get traffic, it will build your list, it will sell t-shirts, and it will make you money. And of course, much more, including our guarantee to you. With the super easy, step-by-step wizard setup, Covert Shirt Store is the most simple theme you have ever used, and to make even 100% sure that you have all you need to succeed with this, we're going to give you the Covert Shirt Store tutorials with a step-by-step guide and full video tutorials on how to set up and use the theme. Now you might be forgiven for thinking that a theme this powerful would cost you an arm and a leg. And there is nothing like this on the market. This is 100% unique and the first of its kind. The script that comes closest to what Covert Shirt Store can do will cost you $197 for a single site license only. And here's the thing, you'd have to get a programmer to change it to work with t-shirts. It's extremely hard to use, and it doesn't even come with half the features we have included in our theme. And certainly not the powerful inbuilt traffic generation, list building, and self-optimizing. But the good news is we're not going to charge you even close to what they are demanding for their inferior script. Because for a limited time only, you can get your hands on the brand new Covert Shirt Store theme at the special low early bird price. We do plan to sell this for $97 or more very soon, but right now you can get it for a fraction of that, including free lifetime updates. If you order right now, we'll even include full multi-site and site flipping license at no extra cost. And that means you can use the theme on as many blogs as you like, use it on blogs you build for clients, even sell and flip blogs with the theme installed. So right now, the only thing that's left to do is for you to click the button below to secure your copy of the Covert Shirt Store theme before the price goes up.